Hi there! Wondering whether to buy the 560 pellet mills or 1-850 machine? Lots of plant owners face this choice when building pellet production lines. Let's do a simple comparison. To 560 pellet mills, one can keep running while the other is repaired. They are light, with cheap and easy to replace spare parts, suitable for straw and wood waste. However, they are difficult to handle wet raw materials, where parts need frequent replacement. Expansion means buying extra main machines, which costs more space. Single 850 mil. It has higher output. Its worn parts have a long service life. You only need auxiliary machines for future expansion. However, it has no backup machine. In case of failure, the entire production line will stop, and spare parts are more expensive. Unsure which solution is more suitable? Tell us your raw materials and daily production capacity, and we'll customize a complete production line solution.